All right, everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is your boy, Kelvin. Today we are going to do 40 push-ups, 4-minute plank. Okay, 40 push-up, 4-minute plank, and today is day 4. Good. So our last challenge will be day 5. Day 5, 50 push-up, 5-minute plank. So today is day 4. So let's do it. 40 push-up. This is my time. 40 push-up. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 30, 40. Okay, let's do it. It's going to be hot and hard, but we will do it. Started to shake. My muscles still need rest. Wow. Yes, I can feel it. My shoulders and my core. Yes. Oh. Don't give up. That's how we do it. Good. Do all your best to stay. Wow. Yeah. Must you give up? No. 1 more minute. Come on. We can do it. So, this is good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Almost there. Keep holding it. Don't give up. 4 minutes. Come on. Yes. Ah. All right. So we did it. 4 minutes. So our next challenge, it will be 50 push-up, 5 minute plank. All right.